Okay guys, welcome to the last day in Sydney.
Or maybe it's like a subway, I don't know.
On the way to the way, we saw Red Top again, so we're coming inside to take a look at some bakeries. This one, love. I love pork floss. This is outside when we come out from exit 3. Guys, look what I spotted. This is so cute. There's like pocket things here. Look at all these. Guys, look at these bags. I think I'm gonna go to China to buy them. Okay guys, well, walking, we randomly saw the shop, so we're gonna try it. Apparently it got like 4.8, so we're trying this instead, guys. Guys, we're done eating, but I just want to say this songkol is really yummy. Like, really yummy, and it's not even like lian. I don't know what's the word in English for like lian. Wait, I'll try to find a word. It's not like greasy and stuff that makes you not want to eat it. You know what I mean? It's really good, guys. You should come. Guys, this shop's logo is so cute. And like their shirt has like stuff like dolls on it. This is really cute, bro. Look at this. This was the shop, guys. Guys, I kept walking straight and there's like a sign that says Thai Town is on the left side. Guys, look at this shop. It's so good. Guys, are these noodles that they're making here? Guys, right now we're in Kohl's doing some last minute shopping and stuff. Yeah. They actually have these cracker stuff too, like instead of the chips. I'm planning to take these back. Especially the brown one. And also that one was really good. You guys, take everything. Leave nothing. This thing is yummy. But I don't think I'm gonna take this. Guys, we're also gonna take this Keep It Cleaner thing. I took a bunch. Yeah. Okay, never mind. We're taking more because things from Kohl is really cheap. Like imagine this much for protein. Guys, things in Australia is like they're really health conscious, I guess. I don't know, that's not the word, but they have like lots of protein, you know. It's really nice. So take everything. I'm just kidding, I'm not taking any of these anymore. Guys, look at this protein peanut butter. This is like there's munchy, crunchy, chocolate protein, vanilla protein. Oh gosh. Guys, this is the last call for Gippsland. Last call. So sad. I don't think I could take this on the plane back home because it will expire. These are gift signs here. Guys, these health products like sugar-free and protein, whatever, is so cheap in Australia. Guys, what is this? Wait. There's one right now. Okay guys, we're gonna go eat the same Chinese place that we went called A Bowl of Noodles because it's really good. Alright guys. Yo, my camera. This video will be in the same as the other video, so I'm just gonna show y'all the menu first, just like some random stuff.
That's the center. Yes.
Yay! It came finally. It's kind of scary. So we're walking to Chemist Warehouse from like the tram there, the what is it called? The train, underground subway there, and then we were walking down, and then now around like the marching place or whatever, there's like flowers on the floor. I don't know, but yeah, there's flowers on the floor, guys. Okay guys, so this is the last stop before going into the hotel and going to the plane tomorrow. These look so yummy, oh my god. I'm not gonna take those anymore. This one looks interesting, guys. Guys, we're inside now. This looks so good. It's tomatoes. Oh, it's to eat with that. It's good. This looks good too. Oh, this looks good too. So I'm gonna say that everything looks good. Okay guys, this is what I got first. I'll get more later. Okay guys, I'm trying this remaining two things now. That beef was good. The wrap was fine. Guys, I'm gonna try more stuff and I'm gonna eat this again. Hey guys, we're about to board the plane soon.
I've lost place. Do you want to see it?
Guys, I don't know what happened, but my parents just suddenly fought for this. Okay, so we're gonna choose the menu now. Scallops. Guys, I'm changing this one. That one was too boring. That is really juicy. Guys, this steak looks so good. This is like very, very sweet. Just like guys, this thing is actually fun. This is the cheese dessert. Yo, this is so sad. I finished it and I'm crying. Second bowl of exit. This is like a carnival thing. It's quite scary. Guys, I've been flying for like 17 years in my life with Thai Airways, and I have never realized that we have like Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi here, because I always try to connect it and it never works. But I realized that the password is on your boarding flight, and you had to go to like a website to enter the password. I'm just gonna say this for myself so I don't forget. The website is called thaiskyconnect.aero. Yeah, bro. Guys, it's so weird. Look at the time. It's 22 and I'm not even asleep yet. I haven't slept for a single moment on this flight yet. So weird. Y'all, I think we're nearly landing, but the thing is not ending yet. I really want to know how this is gonna end. But bro, this is so scary, but it's so fun. Bro, it's just ending like this. There's no answers, bro. What? Bro, it just ended like this. What is this? And everyone just died? Like, what?